was a colorful canary on an ancient, busy, dusty papyrus. The glare sprang out of his eyes like a flare in a moonless night. He knew he couldn't fly. He was sad, for he was surrounded by only black and white. He felt lost in the middle of the sacred temple. He wanted to know who the artist was. He thought his questions were simple. Can I fly, please? Can I spread my wings and feel the breeze? Can you draw me again, surrounded by colors? Can you take me out of the old temple? Can you make a new papyrus and fill it with butterflies and flowers? Thank you very much. Thank you very much again.